In my previous videos, I have said that you only need to believe in the possibility of your desired reality, as it is the fuel that is required to keep things going smoothly. With the help of a very beautiful example, I will try to explain to you how you can do that. This video can be a great help if it is hard for you to stay persistent. The next time you waver, you will remember this beautiful creation of the universe, and you will get back on track. So, the beautiful creation I am talking about is a horse. I know you might be wondering how a horse will help you to stay persistent and believe in the possibility. Also, you don't need to have a horse to do that. You just need to understand this example that I am going to give you. Have you seen a horse in real life or in a video? Did you notice that during the horse races, horses have blinders? Yes, those black things that partially cover their eyes. Don't know what I am talking about? Just do a Google search for horse blinders. Now, do you realize what these blinders do? Well, they cover the rear and side vision of the horse. That leaves the horse with no other choice but to focus on the forward direction. This is done so that the horse doesn't get distracted by the crowd and his focus stays on the race rather than the distraction. Just like a horse using blinders to win a race, you are using affirmations or visualization to assume the feeling of a wish fulfilled. A horse can't take them off in a race, but you are taking them off again and again. Like the blinders blocking out the other possibility, your affirmations do the same for you and let you stay focused on your desired reality. You have to keep wearing them till you achieve your desired reality or you win the race. Sounds interesting, right? Now, the next time you waver, this example will be your guide to keep you on track and manifest your desires. You will embark on a journey that will help you achieve your goals. Staying persistent would be easy for you. Many great poets have said that your focus determines your reality. Your life is controlled by what you focus on. Focus on the solution, not the problem. Focus is a key component that is required to do anything in life. Right now, you are focusing on this video to grasp the knowledge required for you to move forward. You can do it. You are a magnificent being, called upon on earth to explore the creation of the wonderful Creator. Also, Neville Goddard often said that the great secret is a controlled imagination and well-sustained attention, firmly and repeatedly focused on the object to be accomplished. The controlled imagination is nothing but your inner conversations, visualizations, and the short stories you are repeating. And when you do it consciously, in favor of your desire, it becomes a controlled imagination. You have to repeatedly focus on your desired reality. You already know this, but a reminder is required every day to sink it in. My daily golden nuggets are the reminders you get every day to move forward and achieve your goals. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I will meet you tomorrow with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.